Example is solve 3t plus 5 is less than or equal to 17. Okay, so let's just try our the exam tip we learned here. That is actually treat the inequality like an equation. So if there's addition on one side, if you shift that to the other side, it becomes subtraction, it becomes a negative, and all those rules we applied for the equation. So now just see how I'll solve it. So I have the inequality as 3t plus 5 is less than or equal to 17. So firstly, I can shift this plus 5 to this side of the inequality. I'll be doing it. So I'll be writing 3t as it is, and then the inequality symbol. Remember, you don't have to change the symbol for now, so let's not change it. And then you have 17, and you can see that you have plus 5 here. So simply, when I'll be moving it toward this side, it will actually become minus 5. You go minus 5, 3t is less than or equal to 17 minus 5, that's 12. Now, you can see 3 and t. 3 and t both are being multiplied on this side of the inequality. So if I just shift this 3 to this side, yes, what will happen?
Times.
It's being multiplied here.
Yeah, it's being multiplied. Division.
Division. That's correct, division. So I'm writing t here, the inequality, and 12 divided by 3. Now you can see 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So the answer is t is less than or equal to 4. This is how you solve it. This is the answer. T is less than or equal to 4. So the aim is actually to have the variable alone on one side of the inequality, and then you actually solve the question.
Okay.
For shifting negative numbers.
For shifting
negative for and division purposes.
For times and division purposes.
Now, let me make one thing clear. We're having this thing, 7x minus 3 is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so for this question, you'll be shifting this minus 3 to this side of the equals to. Okay, 7x is less than or equal to 4 plus 3. So here, this exam tip is not used. Okay, it's only used if you're actually dividing this minus 3 or you're multiplying this on the other side of the equals to. Okay, in simple addition or subtraction, it's not used. Okay, so the exam tip, let's talk about the exam tip. Now listen carefully.
Okay.
The exam tip is, if we cross multiply,
if we cross or multiply, cross or multiply or cross divide by a negative number. If you cross or divide by a negative number, then the inequality flips. Wait, what do you mean by then the equality flips?
Yes, I'll be explaining it with an example. A minute. Just write it down and then we'll do an example.